Hey, the sun's beginning to rise, as you can see in the back. And I'm recording this the same day that I recorded the two grief poems just now. But it's just like, oh, the sun's beginning to rise. And it's perfect because that's just about when the time of morning that I wrote this poem about joy. And I would say that this poem is a product of my spiritual practice, where not the poem itself but the joy, where there is more and more this accessibility of spontaneous joy for quote no reason, right? And the other beautiful thing is that this actually got published in We Moon Calendar, this calendar for women. Look how gorgeous it is. And great thanks to my friend Lynn Boots, who even suggested that I submit some of my poetry, which is kind of amazing that there's a poem published here. And let me read it. So it's called This Joy in Nothing. Sometimes you wake up with this inexplicable joy, with your gut curled up into a Cheshire smile and your left shoulder pulls back into a wink that no one else can see. And you look around for the source of this smug delight, but can't at a glance find its origin in any particular thing. Not in the whisper of a morning that gently beckoned you awake just in time, before anyone else would even think of rising at this Mad Hatter coffee over tea hour, before the light of the sun has even risen, so you know that not even beauty is to blame. Not for this. This is the best joy. This is the first joy. This is the last joy. This joy in nothing.